How to recover deleted chats on WhatsApp without backup. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to settings, go to apps, find WhatsApp, then on its storage section, simply tap on clear cache. Then go to my files, go to internal storage. Now find WhatsApp from here. After that, go to backups and all your backup chats will be over here. Simply install an application that will be best suitable for you to open these files, and you will be able to see and download your messages as files. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.